Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. And we'll be taking a look at exercise 13.6 on page 230. So let's see the first question. It states that the cylindrical vessel has the following dimensions. This stands for circumference, where I've just drawn a circle with a dot and CE. So circumference of base is 132 centimeters. So since we are saying in circumference, the base is going to be circular. Obviously, we're talking about cylinder, a right circular cylinder. So the base is going to be a circle at the base. The height is 25 centimeters and it's been given that 1000 centimeter cubes is equal to 1 liter. Now we need to find out how many liters of water this cylindrical vessel can hold. So first of all, we need to find out how many liters, and the dimensions have been given in centimeters. So what we will do is we will first find the volume of the cylinder using the formula, that's pi r square h. Then we will convert the volume into liters because the volume will be given in the volume would be in centimeters cube. So first of all, the other thing is we've been given the circumference of the base. We do not have the radius. So what we are going to do is substitute the values in the formula for circumference of base. That would be 2 pi r. We'll get the radius. Using that radius, we are going to substitute the value into the volume of cylinder and find the volume. Okay, so let's get started. I'll say circumference of base is equal to 2 pi r, where r stands for your radius. Now it's been given that the circumference is 132 centimeters, so let's substitute the value. So 132 is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore my radius is going to be what? R is going to be 132 upon 2 pi. So simply cancelling 2 and 132, what do I get? 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 upon pi. So I'm leaving the value of r as it is, that is 66 upon pi centimeters. Why am I leaving it as it is? Like we've learnt earlier, when there is further calculation left wherein we are going to substitute for variables, then we will keep the values as it is until towards the end. So we found the radius. I'll mark this equation as 1. Now I'll say volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, right? So volume of cylinder is what we need to find out. So I'll just say volume V is equal to pi into r square, but r is what? 66 upon pi. So 66 upon pi the whole square into h. So what is the height? Height is given to be 25 centimeters, right? So let's expand this bracket now. Pi is 22 by 7 unless stated otherwise, into 66 into 66. Why 66 into 66? Because I'm expanding this bracket. So 66 square upon pi would be 66 into 66 upon pi into 25, right? So cancelling, what do I get? First of all, if I keep this as pi itself, this pi will cancel out with this pi. And this pi in turn would be 66 into 66 upon 22 upon 7 into 25. So now since you have a fraction, you have a numerator and denominator n1 d1 upon, or rather we have just one number, let's say 66. I'm just taking for example, and you have a fraction beneath, that's n1 upon d1. So what exactly is happening is 66 is getting divided by n1 upon d1. So what does this mean? 66 into d1 upon n1. What happens is division changes to multiplication and this fraction becomes a reciprocal. So the denominator goes into the numerator and numerator comes into the denominator. So what will our equation be? V is equal to 66 into 66 into 7 upon 22 into 25. So therefore, volume is equal to 66 into 66 into 7 upon 22 into 25, right? So 22 ones are, 22 threes are. So what are we left with? 3 into 66 into 7 into 25. So let's just calculate, let's say 3 into 71, 3 into 7 which is 21 into 66 into 25, right? So this will be, first I am going to calculate 21 into 66, which can be written as 21 into 60 plus 6 into 25. So 21 into 60 would be 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, plus 126 into 25. Adding 1260 plus 126, what do we get? Get 683. So 1386 into 25, which can be further written as 1386 into 20 plus 5 into the bracket. So what we are going to do is we are going to split 25 as 20 plus 5. Right? So now calculating this further, 1386 into 20. So just putting a 0 for this 0 out here, then 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 3s are 6, 7, 2 1s are 2, plus 5 6s are 30, 5 8s are 40, plus 3 43, 5 3s are 15, plus 4 19, and 5 1s are 5, plus 1 6. So 27720 plus 6930. What do we get? 0 5 6 4 3 34650 centimeter cube. Why? Because this is the volume. Let me just erase this part of the board. So now we have found the volume in centimeter cubes. We have to convert it to liters. So what we are going to do is use unitary method to find the volume in liters. Therefore, I will say liters and centimeter cube. So 1000 centimeter cubes is 1 liter. Therefore, 34650 centimeter cubes is, let's say, x liters. When you cross multiply, you get x into 1000 is equal to 34650 into 1, which is going to be 34650. Therefore, x is going to be what? 34650 upon, or rather let me just continue this on the other side of the board. So I hope you've taken a note of this because I'm erasing this section. Alright, x is equal to 34650 upon 1000. We need to get rid of 3 zeros in the denominator. So what we are going to do is, in the numerator, go towards 3 from the left, from the right, we are going to proceed towards the left 3 decimal places. So this is going to be 34.650, which can be further written as, see, this 0 after the decimal is not really of any value to us. So it is going to be 34.65 liters. So finally you can write your answer. This is your x, which is nothing but the volume in liters. So you can say answer, how many liters of water can it hold? That means the cylindrical vessel can hold. So I'll say the cylindrical vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water. So this is the remaining part of the sum. We proceeded this way. Please take a look at the solution, and I hope this is what you got. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.